Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x cubed minus x equals 24 and we solve this problem for the values of x. So here first you focus in the right hand side. So in the right hand side we have 24 and we write it as in this way: x cubed minus x equals to, we write this 24 as 27 plus 27 minus 3. Okay, 27 minus 3 becomes here 24. So you see here the highest power of this equation is 3. It means that this equation has 3 roots. Okay, so now we need to find these 3 roots, so that we move this 27 minus 3 in the left hand side and it will be written as x cubed minus x. So this is minus 27 and this minus 3 becomes plus 3 and this is equals to 0. Okay, so further we need to simplify this equation. So we have, this is x cubed minus x. We write this 27 into the prime factors form. So we know that the prime factors of 27 are 3 cubed and this is plus 3 equals to 0. So further in the next step, here we make the pair of cubic term and the other term as well. So we have the cubic terms are x cubed minus 3 cubed and the remaining terms are, this is minus x and plus 3. So here we take common minus sign from both of these terms and the remaining terms are x minus 3 is equals to 0. And now in the next step, here you see that we have x cubed minus 3 cubed, so that we apply here the nice cubic formula. You know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, it is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so here we apply this nice cubic formula to the above equation. So here our above equation is written as, this is x cubed minus 3 cubed, which means that our a is x and our b is 3. So according to this formula, we write our above equation as x minus 3 into x square plus ab. So a is our x and b is 3 and plus b square is 3 square minus, this is our x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, so further if you focus on both of these terms and you see here we have x minus 3 be the common term, so that we take common x minus 3 and the remaining terms are x square plus, here you have 3 times of x and plus 3 square equals to 9. So here when you take common x minus 3, the remaining terms are minus 1 equals to 0. And now in the next step, we have x minus 3 into x square plus 3x and this is 9 minus 1 becomes plus 8 and this whole equals to 0. So further in the next step, here we need to divide this equation into the two cases, so that our first case is we take x minus 3 equals to 0 and the second case is we take x square plus 3x plus 8 equals to 0. And now in the next step, here we have x minus 3 equals to 0, so that we write it as x is equals to 3. Okay, so this is the our first root of the given equation. So now here we need to find the other two roots. So we find other two roots from this quadratic equation, so that here we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So that now here first we write the coefficients of this equation and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 3 and c equals to 8. This is the our coefficients of the above equation, and now we write our quadratic formula as in this form. x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula. And now the time to substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula, so that this equation is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is 3, so when you substitute it here it will be written as minus 3 plus minus square root of b square, b is 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 8 and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step here we need a more simplification, and we have minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 square equals to 9 and 4 times of 8 becomes here 32 and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. So here you see that we have minus 3 and plus minus, this is 9 minus 32 is equals to minus 23 and it is divided by 2. And now you see here we have a negative sign becomes inside the square root, so we write it as in this form, minus 3 plus minus here we separate the square root on negative term and the number 23 as well, so we write it as 23 times of square root into square root of minus 1 and it is divided by 2. So here we know about the square root of minus 1, so we know that square root of minus 1 is equals to iota. So when you substitute it here it will be written as x equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 23 into iota divided by 2. So this means that the other two roots of the given equation are complex roots because this involves the iota sign. Okay, so finally we have the three roots of the given equation are, the first root is x1 equals to 3 and the second root is x2 equals to minus 3 plus square root of 23 iota and it is divided by 2, and the third root is x cubed equals to minus 3 minus square root of 23 iota and it is divided by 2. So these are the three roots of the given equation and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.